Hello everyone. Are you aware that 70 to 90% people procrastinate? Procrastination is a human tendency. You, me, we all procrastinate. Myself Trupti Dighe. I am a parenting coach and trainer, and today I am going to share some tips about how to overcome procrastination. Friends, we all go through some emotions, fear, anxiety. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we are nervous. So when we procrastinate, we need to understand the emotions behind it. Why we procrastinate? Because there are some emotions behind that particular activity. For example, some people they want to exercise, but somehow they procrastinate it every day. Now, do you know why they procrastinate exercise? Because there is some fear, anxiety, or self-doubt behind it. So the thing is, first we need to understand what is the emotion behind the particular activity. There are some self-doubt or there is some fear behind it that you need to recognize. And the second thing, you need to accept it wholly. You need to accept yourself. Yes, okay, fine, I am procrastinating. And then only you can change it. Once you identify the emotions behind the procrastination, it is easy for you to overcome this procrastination. Read a famous book of Brian Tracy, that is Eat That Frog. We all have a list of particular things every day. What we need to do, we need to prioritize things, and the most difficult task we need to keep it in the front. We need to do this difficult task first. But what mostly people do, they always do the easy task first and they do the difficult task afterwards, or they procrastinate it. So my message to you today is, you need to do the difficult task first. Why we should do this difficult task first? Because doing difficult task first will give you key to happiness. It will give you a positive addiction, and that is where you will feel ki okay, I can do it, and you won't then procrastinate. So guys, listen to this video carefully and try to understand what message I am trying to give you. Procrastination is a very common factor which we all do, but it is very easy to overcome it. But again, it is a journey, it is a process. It can't be done just in a one day. You need to work on it. You need to have a list, you need to prioritize it, and then you need to do the tough thing first. Thank you.